Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy your HTML website to Firebase. I will assume that you have a Google account, so let's get started. Before you try to install Firebase tools, make sure that you have Node.js installed. In case that you don't, please visit nodejs.org and follow the instructions for your operating system. To confirm the previous step, you can type node-version and npm-version in the terminal. Now let's install the Firebase tools. I'll write sudo npm install -g Firebase tools and hit enter. Now I'll enter my password and the installation will start. If you happen to be on Windows, you can leave out the sudo keyword, or in case you have the admin rights. So after a few moments, the installation is completed and we can move forward. So now that I have the Firebase command available, I can type in Firebase login. After that, I'm being asked if I want to allow collection of error reports, and I'm gonna type N, which means no. I'm now navigated to the browser and the sign in with Google dialog is shown. I'm gonna choose the account I want to use and then give Firebase access to my account by clicking allow. And now we see that the Firebase CLI login was successful, and the same message will appear in the terminal as well. Now let's open console.firebase.google.com. To create a new project, it's enough to click on the Create a Project button and then type the name. I have to accept the Firebase terms and click Continue. And I don't want to use Google Analytics this time, so I just click Create Project. The project creation should last somewhere around 20 seconds and then the project is ready. If I click Continue, I will get navigated to the project's dashboard, but I don't have to do anything here. I'll go to the terminal and finally type Firebase in it. This is going to give me a series of questions, so let's dive in. You can navigate between the answers with your page up and down keys. When you want to select an answer, just press space, and a little circle next to the answer is going to turn green. Here I'll just press enter as I want to use an existing project, and since I only have one, I can just hit enter again. For the public directory, I want to use the current directory where my index.html file is. So I'm just gonna type the dot character. I don't want to configure this as a single page app, so I'm gonna type N here. And I don't want GitHub automatic builds, so again N. And in the end, I don't want to override my index.html, so I type in N again. So now the Firebase project was initialized, and after this step we get two new files, .firebase.rc and firebase.json. The firebase.json holds the configuration and the .firebase.rc holds the project name. And the last step that we have to do is to type in Firebase deploy. After several moments, our website is successfully deployed to Firebase. Congratulations! You can click on the hosting URL to see it in action. The other way to access the hosting URL is by visiting the console firebase.google.com and clicking on the project. And then from the left menu expanding the build and then selecting hosting. Your website URL is here. That was it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to see more similar videos in the future. Thank you for watching.